watch out, things are gonna get easier.
So I'm with Ricky from Small, who are going to be exhibiting at Grand Designs Live in October at the NEC, and I've just come to meet him just to find out a little bit about what he does.
So we are trying to promote that whilst we have huge amounts of plastic, and we have even one fizzy drinks company alone produces 100 billion plastic bottles.
Yeah.
So what's really interesting is all the plastic that has ever been produced in the world still exists. So it's become such a big issue that if you project forwards to 2050 with our current habits, and think, we are pretty much in 2020 already, so 30 years away, the weight of the amount of plastic in the ocean, in our oceans, will outweigh the weight of fish in our oceans.
The weight of plastic will outweigh the fish. Wow.
So this invention was created by my son and I when we asked him to take our plastic bottles of water that we had to drink because we were living abroad at this point to school to recycle. He got fed up with it and he said, Dad, can't we build something? So I said, let's build a robot. And he said, well, you're an architect, why don't we build a house? And so once that bottle has provided its water or its content to society, why don't we then repurpose that bottle into creating something else? We're going to be showcasing the Milk-BottleHouse, which will demonstrate how we can transform a milk bottle into a brick.
So how big is this milk?
So the Milk-BottleHouse is we're going to be using 6,000 milk bottles. Okay. It's a 4-meter square house with a pitched roof. It will have windows and a door.
So a 4-meter square house with a pitched roof and a door. It sounds like a normal house.
It sounds like
apart from the fact that you made it from milk bottles. From plastic milk bottles.
Exactly, and that's the innovation. So so those milk bottles would be normally we'd use the milk, have our cereal, have our cups of tea, and then we get rid of the bottle. But every time we've done that bottle that we used is somewhere, and it's causing a lot of harm.
I don't know about you, but I can't wait to see what Ricky is going to be doing at Grand Designs Live. So come along to the NEC in October to see exactly what this Milk-BottleHouse is going to look like.